Okay, so we have two more equations that we have to plot to find the solution to this system. The first one's in standard form. So I have one where my x is 0, and another one where my y is 0. When my x is 0, it's going to give me a 2y equals 6, divide both sides by 2, y equals 3. Then I have another one where my y equals 0. And my y equals 0. All right, all I'm left with is 3x. Divided by both sides by 3. So x is going to equal 2. Now, the next one is in slope-intercept form. So my b equals 1. My m is negative 5 over 2. So that's my rise. That's my run. So my y, so let's plot these lines. So my first one's at 0, 3. The next one's at 2, 0. So I'm going to draw a line. For those points. The next one, we have our y-intercept is 1, so we're going to go plot a point at 1. And then my slope is negative 5, 2. So I'm going to go down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or what I can do is I can actually go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to the left 2. And my point is right there. And I'm going to plot a line. All right. When I go through there, I realize that my solution is at negative 2, 6.